In this video we will have a first look at the Geimori GU78 from Wirsch. This is a single dose grinder that they just launched on Kickstarter, and there are some features that I want to highlight in this video. So let's start from the design. They said the design is inspired by the movie Agora. Now, I never watched the movie, but I like the design. It's minimal, but at the same time is captivating. It fits very well on the kitchen counter. The height is 40 cm and the length is 40 cm as well, counting the power cable, and the width is 18 cm. The grinder weighs quite a lot and it's very solid, it's a very good piece of metal. I really like this for a grinder, and definitely this is not a portable grinder. Now let's talk about the power. Under the hood there is a 400 watt brushless direct current motor with a grinding speed up to 3.5 grams per second. And that is quite impressive. This kind of motor is more efficient than the classic direct current motor, and also because there is no brushless friction, the wearing and the tearing of the motor is reduced, so the lifespan is longer. The speed of the motor is controlled by a dial that you can find on the back of the grinder base. It has a stepless adjustment that goes from 500 to 1500 RPM. This is controlled by a PID system to keep stable the speed and the force on each grind, which is important for a consistent quality, especially if you grind different kinds of coffees for different kinds of brewing methods. Speaking about brewing methods, let's talk about the dial. The GU78 offers an adjustment that goes from 200 to 640 microns with 80 steps, but with a stepless system. Basically, you can go below or above the numbers in case you need it. The dial feels good when I move it, and it feels solid. The GU78 includes a pre-breaker to reduce clogs and heat building up during grinding, helping to keep the grounds consistent and also to deliver a smooth grinding performance. The grinder also has an interchangeable burr system. The GU78 comes with a 78mm burrs that are specifically for espresso, but it's compatible with the 78F, that is a filter burr set, and that is for a wider range of grinds. To reach the internal part for cleaning or change the burrs is actually quite easy. Speaking about burrs, let's talk about the grinding quality. With the grinder I received a nice envelope with a paper inside showing some particle size analysis data that they made. I'm not going to dive deep into the numbers right now, but I can say that there will be a lot of grinding in the future to understand the actual quality of this grinder. Also, I see the data have been acquired using Illy Classico. It will be interesting in the future to see how the grinder responds with some lighter roasted coffee. Another feature of this grinder is the static-free design. Geimori uses a patented RDT spray lid along with the plasma anti-static technology. This combination reduces static buildup, so you get fewer grounds clinging inside or scattering around your counter. Regarding grinding retention, it's minimized thanks to the vertical burr design and the manual knocker. I noticed that there is some retention. Sometimes it goes around 0.5 grams, or sometimes there is no retention at all. But they actually told me they are working to optimize it by reducing the maximum retention to 0.3 grams. And this before the mass production. Price-wise, they are launching the GU78 on Kickstarter at $599 US. Also, they're launching the GU64, that is a smaller grinder, at $299 US. If you need more information about the grinder, you can check the link in the description box that they're gonna bring you to their Kickstarter campaign. Just to clarify with you, they send me the grinder for free, but there is no affiliation between the company and me, and also they didn't pay me any money for any review. In this video, I just wanted to share with you some basic information about this grinder without giving a proper review, even because I just got the grinder 2 days ago. So it was impossible to put my thoughts in this video. There will be a following video where I will go through all the features that I mentioned with a proper opinion and thoughts. Thank you very much, Wirsch, for the grinder, and thank you for watching. If you have any questions or curiosity about the grinder that you want to know, just leave a comment in the section below so I can integrate them in the following review. I'll see you in my next videos, and in the meantime I wish you a wonderful day and delicious coffee. Ciao!